Hi everyone, it's Johnny, Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I'm getting ready to make a lighted shadow box. I got this tin box, that was the last one they had at Dollar Tree. I got the lights at Dollar Tree. I got the pretty little gift envelope at Dollar Tree. And I cut it out already to fit the box. I wanted something glittery. Then I just put a hole in it with a nail and a hammer. As you can see it's right there in the corner. And then I put the paper in. As you'll see, I didn't poke a hole in the paper, so I'll have to pull it out and put a hole in the paper too. So I pulled it back out. I put a little pencil mark to figure it out. And then I put a hole in it with probably that screwdriver that is sitting right there. Okay, next I have a little light box with batteries that you're going to poke through that hole. Make sure it turns on, put your batteries in, make sure it works before you go through putting all those lights in. I'm going to get it straight, and then I'm going to poke each one through that hole. So you'll just do each one separately. As you can see, I was having a little bit of trouble, so I had to use the screwdriver to make the hole bigger. I found this little blue box, and I thought that would be cute to set the little people up on, so I glue that into my box. That way I can put more snow in it, because I thought the snow would be so pretty. And I'm going to glue the lights around so I have more control over the lights, where they're going to be. So I just put a little dab of glue all around the box so my lights go all the way around. It's going to take a few minutes to get them all right, but you want to place them just right so they look good. Okay, now I have my little tree. I have my little people. Got a little Santa Claus, a snowman, a little singer, a car, and a little pole. I have a Christmas tree farm in my other room, so I just go in my other room and I pick a little Christmas tree out of my farm and put it in all my little scenes. So I place it in my box to see where I want them, and once I figure out where they're going to be, I'm going to glue them in. This is a pretty quick and easy little craft, and you can use them as gifts. You can put them in your kids' room as a nightlight. I think they make cute gifts. I really do. And kids love them. I love them too. I'm not a kid. Well, I'm a kid at heart. Actually, I don't think I ever grew up. That's why I'm still doing crafts. Maybe all you moms that do crafts, maybe we never grew up. That's why it's so much fun. I have to say that was the only box left at Dollar Tree. But just yesterday or the day before, I went into a Dollar Tree and they had probably 10 of them. I bought 8 of them. Because you can do so many things with these little tin boxes. And it's $1. Can't beat it. Okay, you're going to glue the little battery pack on the back. You want to glue it so you can change the batteries. That way you'll always have lights. And then I take and glue the little cords so they don't stick out everywhere. So I just glue them down too. Using my Phillips head to help with gluing that down without burning my fingers, because I'm famous for burning my fingers. I have a scar right now on one. Any hints on that, please let me know. You can comment below, and whatever hints you got so I don't burn the house down too. That would be helpful. And as you can see, it's almost ready. Look how cute. I'm going to put snow right where that box is. I have some snow that I got from the Dollar Tree in one of their little snow packs. Something was falling out and I'm gluing it back. So my house isn't very big, so I have 4 bedrooms, I have 6 kids, and me makes 7. So my kitchen is my craft room. So sometimes you'll see dishes in the sink, which I apologize for. But, you know, you got to eat. Oh, look at that. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love lights anyway. I got lights all over my house. But isn't that adorable? I can't wait to make more. All right, next one is one of those little, I guess it's like a truffle plastic bowl from Dollar Tree, Epsom salt from Dollar Tree. Pour some in your bowl. This is quick and easy, and it's cute. Very simple. I had some really like glitter that I added to the Epsom salt just to make it more shiny. I mean, who doesn't need more glitter, right? It's Christmas. So I just sprinkle that on top. I'm going to put in a little tree, then another little tree, then a camper. Whoops, I threw that other one on the side. There it is. And there's the next one. Very simple, quick and easy. I also made one with a little car. As you can see. You can see it from the top. How cute is that? Quick, easy. I mean, you could put pine cones in there. You could put whatever you want in there. But it's the little truffle plastic bowls from Dollar Tree.